Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Mohammed Anil Singh from Pakistan International School, Thai. This is your lecture number 29, and we will continue our question number 2 from exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.2, I told you already that we have repeated linear factors. We have repeated linear factors. That was x square plus 7x plus 7x plus 11 over x plus 2 whole square into x plus 3. Because it is a proper fraction, the degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 3. So let by partial fraction, this is a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 2 square and plus c over x plus 3. That was your equation number 1. Multiplying both sides by x plus 2 square into x plus 3. That is x square plus 7x plus 11. That is a into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Because one power was cancelled out. After that, b into x plus 2 whole square cancelled out. We have x plus 3. That is equal to c into x plus 2 square. That is equation number 2. By putting method, we will find two constants. Putting x plus 2 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus 2 in equation number 2. So here is minus 2 square, 7 into minus 2 plus 11, a into x plus 2 equal to 0. b into this is minus 2 plus 3 and c into x plus 2 0 again we will have. Here is 4 minus 14 plus 11, that is 0 plus b into 1 plus c into 0 is 0. 15 minus 14 is 1, so b is equal to 1. Actually we had this value b is equal to 1 last time previously. Similarly, here is x plus 3 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 in equation number 2. Remember that here we will have x square is minus 3 square, 7 into minus 3 plus 11 is equal to a into x plus 3 was 0 here, plus b into 0 also, and plus c into minus 3 plus 2 whole square. Remember that minus 3 square is 9, 9 plus 11 is 20. So 20 minus 21, that is equal to 0 plus c to minus 1 square. Remember that 20 minus 21 is minus 1. That is c into 1, c is equal to minus 1. Remember that we got c is equal to minus 1. Actually, there was a mistake of negative sign in fact. After that, same method, because we have used putting method to find two constants. For finding the third constant, that is a, we will apply a comparison method. In case of comparison method, we will simplify right hand side by multiplying x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 5x plus 6 bx plus 3b then c into x square plus 4x plus 4. Remember that x square plus 7x plus 11, ax square plus 5ax plus 6a plus bx plus 3b plus cx square 4cx plus 4c. I told you we will write down like terms side by side and take common variable common from them. These are the like terms. Ax square, cx square. So you may write down a plus c into x square common. Similarly, 5ax, bx, 4cx. So you can write down 5a plus b plus 4c into x. Then constant 6a plus 3b plus 4c. Here we have x square plus 7x plus 11. Comparing coefficients. A plus c is equal to 1 and a minus 1 is equal to 1, so a is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got a is equal to 2. Dear students, applying values of a, b, c here in equation number 1. Applying values of a, b, c in equation number 1. A is 2, b is 1 and c is minus 1. So you can write down here this will be plus minus minus. So your answer is 2 over x plus 2, 1 over x plus 2 square minus 1 over x plus 3. I hope that you got the idea. After that, we have question number 4. Remember that in question number 4, we will have improper fraction because degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. So question number 4 is x4 plus 1 over x square into x minus 1. You can check. Here is degree 4 and denominator x square multiplied by x, degree will be 3. So it is improper. First of all, we will convert it into proper form. x4 plus 1 over x cube minus x square. By long division, we will have x4 plus 1 divided by x cube minus x square. It will go with 1 with x4 minus x cube. Change the sign. Here is x cube plus 1. Again it will go with 1. So x cube minus x square. Change the sign. Cancelled out. X square plus 1. Dear students, you can check this improper fraction is converted into proper fraction, that is x plus 1 plus x square plus 1 divided by x cube minus x square. Or x plus 1, x square plus 1 divided by x square common into x minus 1. That is number 1. Here we will have let by partial fraction of this portion. Remember that. X plus 1 is the part of your solution set. Let by partial fraction x square plus 1 over x square into x minus 1. I told you with first power one constant, with second power second constant, and c over x minus 1. This will be equation number 2. Implies that multiplying both sides by LCM, we are left with x square plus 1 is equal to ax. This is x square and x, they are cancelled out, 1x left, and this is x minus 1 plus this x square and x square cancelled out. We have x minus 1. X minus 1 is cancelled out, c x square. So this is your equation number 3. We multiplied whole equation by this denominator, x square into x minus 1. Once it is cancelled, we got x into x minus 1. Secondly, x square and x square cancelled, x minus 1. Thirdly, x minus 1 cancelled out, x square, we got that. Putting x is equal to 0 in equation number 3. So 0 square plus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 minus 1 plus c into 0 square. You got that 1 is equal to 0 plus b into minus 1 plus 0. So b is equal to minus 1. We have b is equal to minus 1. After that, we will apply, putting x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies that x equal to 1 in equation number 3. Here is 1 square plus 1. A into x minus 1 is 0 here. Again x minus 0 with b, 0. C into 1 square. That is 2 is equal to c. 1 square 1. 1 square 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have c is equal to 2. Dear students, there were two linear factors. One by one, we used putting method to find two constants. Now, for the third constant, we need to have the comparison method. In case of comparison method, we will have x square plus 1 is equal to ax square minus ax plus bx minus b plus cx square. Then I told you, write down like terms side by side, a plus c into x square. After that, plus here is minus a, write down minus a inside the bracket, and then you have bx, write down b into x, and at the end constant is minus b. X square plus 1, comparing coefficients of x square, x and constants. So a plus c is equal to 1. What about c? C is 2. So a plus 2 is equal to 1 implies that a is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So dear students, using the values of a, b, c in equation number 2, using values of a, b, c in equation number 2, we have a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 2. Hence equation 1 becomes, because this is the part of your solution set, hence equation 1 becomes x plus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 over x square plus 2 over x minus 1. That is your required answer. I hope that you got the idea. After that, we are given question number 8. Remember that in question number 8, again we will have the formula in the denominator to write down in the proper form of repeated linear factors. Question number 8, 1 over x square minus 1 into x plus 1. Now you will write down what about x square minus 1? It can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. This is the formula actually, a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b, and then you can combine similar brackets as whole power 2. Again, this is just like your previous question. I hope that you can complete this question. After that, we are going to start our exercise 4.3. Remember that in 4.3, the title of exercise 4.3 is Irreducible, non-repeated quadratic factors. This is your title of your exercise 4.3. Irreducible, non-repeated quadratic factors. In case of quadratic factors, you will have degree 2 in the denominator and it will not be simplified. It cannot be simplified further. That is known as irreducible, non-repeated quadratic factors. For exercise 4.3, you have question number 1, resolve into partial fraction 3x minus 11. Resolve into partial fractions 3x minus 7 or rather 3x minus 11 over x plus 3 into x square plus 1. X plus 3 into x square plus 1. Remember that this is irreducible. It cannot be further simplified. You cannot apply here any formula to convert it into linear factors. So this is non-repeated mean power on the bracket is 1. Quadratic factor mean degree is 2 inside. So for the particular case, let by partial fraction, and remember that what is the degree in numerator? 1. Degree in denominator is 3. So it is proper fraction. You may write down a over x plus 3 plus bx plus c over x square plus 1. Dear students, this is a new type in which degree 2 involve 2 constants. You know that for every value of x, you need one constant. This is 1 x power 1 constant. X power 2, degree 2 is, we have 2 constants. But the degree is 2, so that's why its depressed form of expression will be bx plus c. Suppose it was 3. Then it will be written as bx square plus cx plus d. So this is the way how to write down depressed equation with the less degree for the denominator. Here is x square, you will start bx plus c. Two constants are involved here, b and c, because of this degree 2. So multiplying both sides by x plus 3 into x square plus 1. 3x minus 11 is equal to a into x plus 3 cancelled out, x square plus 1 plus bx plus c and x square plus 1 cancelled out, we are left with x plus 3. This is equation 2. Dear students, you have only one linear factor. Here is one linear factor. So by putting method, you will apply x plus 3 is equal to 0. You will find one constant by putting method and two constants by comparison methods. So putting x plus 3 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus 3 in equation number 2. 3 into minus 3 minus 11, a into minus 3 square plus 1 plus bx plus c into, this is x plus 3 is 0. It was 0, so that's why I am not written value of x, because everything will be multiplied by 0. It becomes 0. A into 9 plus 1. This will be minus 9 minus 11. Here is minus 20 is equal to 10a and a is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2. We have a is equal to minus 2. After that, because we can use putting method only for x plus 3, that was one factor. So the next constant will be found with the help of comparison method. Here is 3x minus 11, that is ax square plus a plus bx square plus 3bx plus cx plus 3c. ax square plus a, bx square plus 3bx plus cx plus 3c. Again you will write down like terms side by side and taking common. A plus b into x square, then for c for x 3b plus c into x, then constant is a plus 3c, a plus 3c, 3x minus 11. Comparing coefficients of x square, x and constants. Remember that the coefficient of x square is a plus b, and here is no x square, you can write down 0 x square. So if you do not have any term, then you can write down with 0 coefficient 0 x square. So a plus b is equal to 0. You got that a is equal to minus 2 plus b is equal to 0. So then b is equal to 2. You will get b is equal to 2. After that, we need to find the value of constant c. We got a and b, we need to have the constant c. So for comparison of coefficient of x, 3b plus c is equal to 3. Coefficient of x is 3b plus c. Here is the coefficient of x is 3. So remember that 3 into what about the value of b? That is 2 plus c is equal to 3. We have 6 plus c is equal to 3 and c is equal to 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So c is equal to minus 3. So in this way, we will apply the values of a, b and c here in equation number 1. Using values of a, b, c number 1, we have minus 2, then B is plus 2, and C is minus 3. So we have the answer minus 2 over x plus 3 plus 2x minus 3 over x square plus 1. So dear students, we have finished our question number 1, and you can check, you can solve question number 6 exactly just like your question number 1. I am going to take question number 8. So inshallah we'll do it in the next lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.